Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Das. I am participating from Barwan, West Bengal, India. My team name is Red Rocket. I am working with the challenge Outfitting a Mars Habitat 3D Print Challenge. As the problem statement, there we have three 3D printers which can print by three types of materials like steel, plastic, and concrete. We can print with those printers and make a product which is very necessary in Mars. In this challenge, we have to make very useful and necessary product of Mars. The product also can solve our daily problems on Mars. In 1610, Mars was firstly discovered by Galileo Galilei. In Greek legends, Mars is called the planet of war. But it is still surprising that scientists are discovered that we can live in Mars sustainably after the Earth. To be a useful product of Mars, they should have some qualities. The qualities are 1. Easy portability, 2. Lightweight, 3. High quality materials, 4. Collapsible, 5. Able to carry other items, 6. Extremely necessary, 7. No problem with product, 8. No other side effects. If the product have all these qualities, the product is a very useful in Mars. My product, I made product which is too useful in Mars. It is a backpack. I named this product as Universal Mars Bag. The bag carry out all of the necessary things which we need on Mars, like oxygen cylinders, water bottles, screwdrivers, hammers, etc. In this product, there also a mechanical arm to hold heavy things. The arm gives a extra hands to astronaut. The mechanical arm is the one of the most important features of the bag. The backpack is extremely comfortable. The side of the bag that will be attached to our bag is extended to fit the size of our bag. The whole bag is made on clip system, so we can import and export things as we need. There are many test tube holders in the bag to collect samples. In the bag, there also a camera holder, which where we fix camera and capture background and other photos and also videos. This is the pictures of my product. This is the my bag, and it is the surface which is in touch with our bags. It is the bags for back front picture. This is the bag extra mechanical arm. We can see this expandly in next video. This is our mechanical arm. This is the platform which is connected with bag by two clips, and the mechanical arm will connect it with this platform. This is our bag, and it is the mechanical arm, and the surface is the all other things which we used to carry and need. This is the dot picture of my 3D print. This is the business model of my 3D model backpack. Thank you for giving time. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon.